Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Relator.com app. So let's get started. So here I will just open the Relator app. So this is a very easy to use app. Okay. So basically this app is for your e-state. And here you have to log in. So I am not logging now. So we will just open it. So from here you have to select why you are using this app. So if you want to buy a home, just click on buy home, and you can rent or sell a home also. So I want to buy a home or rent a home, then we will continue. Then here I have to select the area. So here I will just select my area. Okay, Washington DC. From here you have to click on save. Like here you can just put any place. Here you can see the houses and their rate as well. So for sale you can see this house. Okay, so if you want to contact, you can contact from as well. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.